Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to share with you an amazing kitchen essential that will revolutionize the way you cook, the beautiful trademark 3-quart digital air fryer with patent-pending TurboCrisp trademark technology. Now, I know that for many of us, counter space is a precious commodity in the kitchen. That's why the 3-quart size of this air fryer is the perfect solution for those with limited space. But don't let its compact size fool you. This kitchen essential is small but mighty, with 4 presets: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. You can easily whip up a variety of delicious dishes with little to no oil needed. And thanks to superior airflow technology, you can enjoy fast, crisp, evenly cooked food every time. And let's talk about cleanup. We all know how much of a hassle it can be to clean up after cooking, but with the TurboCrisp trademark tray and basket, you can simply pop them in the dishwasher for painless cleanup. The soft matte finish and digital touch activated display add a touch of elegance to your kitchen, making this 3-quart digital air fryer not only an essential appliance but a beautiful addition to your countertop. And the best part? This air fryer is created by Drew Barrymore, from Beautiful Kitchenware trademark, which combines elegant design, contemporary colors, and modern silhouettes for high-performance appliances that look beautiful in your kitchen. With a space-saving 3 QT capacity, adjustable temperature range from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and 75% less fat than traditional deep frying, this air fryer is a game-changer in the kitchen. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to crispy, healthier results with little to no oil needed. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking experience and add a beautiful and high-performance appliance to your kitchen, don't miss out on the opportunity to get your hands on the beautiful trademark 3-quart digital air fryer. Check the link in the description below to make your purchase and start cooking delicious, healthier meals today. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more kitchen essentials and cooking tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!